Tiny, yet incredibly mighty. Did you know that just 2 tablespoons of these little powerhouses hold more omega-3 fatty acids than a fillet of salmon? They pack more calcium than a tall glass of milk. And they even outrank blueberries in antioxidant power. So, what truly happens when you welcome these incredible seeds into your life every single day? In this video, we're diving deep into the 7 profound transformations that occur when you make chia seeds a daily ritual. Let's embark on this journey together. Our first stop, a revolution in your digestive health. Let's begin with the very core of your well-being, your gut. Chia seeds are brimming with soluble fiber, a generous 10 grams in every ounce. Think of it as a gentle, soothing massage for your intestines each and every morning. When these seeds meet water, they magically transform into a soft, gel-like substance that keeps everything flowing smoothly and comfortably. It's fascinating to remember that chia itself comes from the ancient Mayan word for strength. For centuries, ancient warriors harnessed their power for unwavering stamina and effortless digestion during grueling, long battles. Imagine chia seeds as tiny, intelligent sponges. They eagerly soak up water, expanding beautifully within your gut. This not only leaves you feeling wonderfully full for longer, but also keeps your bowels incredibly happy. This amazing bulk-forming fiber does more than just ease constipation. It becomes a nourishing feast for your beneficial gut bacteria. Those tiny heroes play a pivotal role in your immunity, your mood, and even your metabolism. Picture this: you wake up, sip your refreshing chia water, and effortlessly wave goodbye to that uncomfortable bloating and frustrating constipation. For so many people, this one small addition ignites a monumental upgrade in their gut health. Next up, let's talk about something incredibly vital: a healthier heart. Chia seeds stand tall as one of nature's richest plant-based reservoirs of alpha-linolenic acid, a truly remarkable type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s are renowned for their anti-inflammatory magic. They actively work to gently lower blood pressure, reduce unhealthy triglycerides, and beautifully improve your cholesterol ratios. Now, you might have heard the old myth that chia seeds don't genuinely contribute to heart health. But here's the powerful truth, according to the trusted experts at the Cleveland Clinic. Chia seeds absolutely may reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. This is all thanks to their potent blend of fiber, antioxidants, and those incredible healthy fats. Consider these omega-3s as the finely tuned oil for your heart's intricate engine. They ensure every beat and every function runs with seamless efficiency and minimal friction. Numerous studies consistently show that the alpha-linolenic acid found in chia can significantly reduce inflammation markers. These markers are undeniably linked to the risk of heart disease. Our third incredible benefit: perfectly balanced blood sugar. If you ever find yourself battling those persistent sweet cravings, this particular benefit is about to become your new best friend. Chia seeds possess an extraordinary ability to gently slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This is monumental for preventing those jarring sugar spikes and subsequent energy crashes. Have you ever indulged in a sugary breakfast, only to feel completely depleted and crashing by 10 o'clock in the morning? Chia subtly slows down your digestion. This empowers you to maintain stable, vibrant energy levels throughout your entire day. A remarkable study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that simply adding chia to white bread slashed its glycemic response by nearly 40%. That's like enjoying your favorite sweet treat without any of the typical energy fallout. By gracefully slowing the breakdown of carbohydrates, chia seeds become a true ally in stabilizing blood glucose. This offers a significant victory for anyone navigating pre-diabetes or struggling with frustrating energy dips. Moving on to number 4, powerful support for healthy weight management. Yes, it's true. Chia seeds can indeed become your secret weapon in your journey toward healthy weight loss. Thanks to their impressive combination of fiber and protein, they are masters at curbing your appetite and naturally reducing those nagging urges to snack. Imagine this: a healthy snack that gently expands in your stomach. It softly whispers, "You're wonderfully full," long before you even consider reaching for that second cookie. A randomized trial published in Nutrition Research demonstrated that participants who incorporated chia into their diet experienced reduced hunger and naturally consumed fewer calories later in the day. What's more, their high fiber content plays a crucial role in regulating ghrelin. This is the very hormone that triggers feelings of hunger. Thereby, it keeps your cravings gracefully in check, all in a wonderfully natural way. Our fifth amazing advantage: stronger bones and teeth. When we think about calcium, most of us immediately picture dairy products. But here's a delightful twist. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain nearly 18% of your daily recommended calcium intake. Now, imagine fueling your bones with incredible strength, without needing a single drop of milk. Think of your bones as a meticulous construction site. Calcium is the foundational cement. Magnesium and phosphorus are the essential scaffolding that holds everything together. Chia brings all these vital components to the table. Beyond that, chia seeds also provide zinc. Both phosphorus and zinc are absolutely essential for fortifying your tooth enamel and supporting your overall oral health in a profound way. And there's more. Chia seeds also deliver boron. This is a subtle but powerful trace mineral that supercharges your body's ability to absorb calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus even more efficiently. Number 6 on our list of wonders: radiant skin, luscious hair, and natural anti-aging. Dreaming of glowing skin, hair that shines with strength, and a reduction in those pesky wrinkles? Chia seeds are bursting with antioxidants. These are diligent warriors that combat free radicals, the unstable molecules that insidiously age us from the inside out. Did you know that chia seeds boast a higher antioxidant capacity than even blueberries? Blueberries have long been considered the reigning champions of skin-loving foods. These potent antioxidants relentlessly fight oxidative stress. This is the underlying cause of fine lines, dull skin, and those unwelcome early signs of aging. It's like having nature's most exquisite skincare treatment, perfectly packaged in seed form. This makes those overpriced creams entirely unnecessary. Finally, our 7th powerful benefit: profoundly boosted energy and endurance. This is where the ancient wisdom of the past beautifully converges with the cutting-edge insights of modern science. Aztec warriors famously relied on chia seeds for their unwavering energy before heading into battle. Today's elite athletes also embrace their incredible power. Chia functions like a perfectly calibrated, time-release energy capsule. Its brilliant combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein delivers sustained fuel to your body without any of the typical energy crashes. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research revealed that chia seeds provided endurance athletes with performance results comparable to sugary sports drinks, but without the subsequent dip. Dr. Andrew Weil, a revered name in integrative medicine, enthusiastically recommends chia for its sustained energy benefits. He calls it a truly superior source of plant-based omega-3s. And now, for a special bonus tip that will truly elevate your chia experience. When soaked overnight in water or your favorite milk, chia seeds truly unlock their full potential. They release even more of their precious nutrients and become remarkably easier for your body to digest. Treat them just as you would your favorite oats. Your gut will undoubtedly thank you for it. Did you know that soaked chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their own weight in liquid? It's a beautiful synergy of hydration and nutrition, all in one simple act. Now let's address another common myth, that eating chia seeds raw is dangerous. The truth is, raw chia seeds are perfectly safe in small quantities. However, soaking them is a gentle way to prevent any potential discomfort, especially if you're not accustomed to drinking enough water throughout your day. Here's a quick, friendly tip to get you started. Begin slowly. Just 1 tablespoon a day, accompanied by plenty of refreshing fluids. There's no need to rush into a superfood revolution overnight. Let's quickly recap the incredible transformations that unfold when you make chia seeds a daily habit. First, you'll experience dramatically improved digestion. Second, you'll foster a healthier, happier heart. Third, you'll achieve beautifully balanced blood sugar levels. Fourth, you'll discover powerful support for healthy weight management. Fifth, you'll build stronger, more resilient bones. Sixth, you'll unlock radiant, youthful skin and hair. And finally, seventh, you'll enjoy long-lasting, sustained energy throughout your day. And let's not forget that wonderful bonus. Soaking them truly supercharges all these benefits. If this tiny yet mighty seed has earned a special place in your pantry today, please consider giving this video a heartfelt like. Are you eager for more science-backed insights and empowering tips to gently upgrade your health, one bite at a time? Then hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never, ever miss another nutritious beat. And please, drop a comment below. How do you love to enjoy your chia?